Hello friends, I welcome you all to this new video. Today I'm going to talk on Lookida reviews. Well guys, this video will help you know whether the website I'm talking about is a legit one or a scam. If you haven't purchased anything from this website, this unbiased review of mine will be helpful for you as it will help you know whether you should buy anything from this website or not. Moreover, if you have experienced any fraud with this website, guys, watch this video till end as I'm going to reveal a way to get your money back. But before sharing the way, let's find out some essential details about the website. Guys, here you can see Lookida. It is selling trendy fall boots and different kinds of footwear. As you can see, all the collection over this website seems to be quite trendy and fashionable. Moving further, they are offering a lot of discount offers, free shipping over the order which is above $80, and you get your first order at 5% off. You can use the code they have given here. All the products you can see easily and along with the size chart so that you can easily order the product according to your exact measurement. Moving further, guys, I will talk about the pros, cons, specifications, and most importantly the legitimacy checkpoints, because it is important to know whether all these products are of good quality or not. For this, I have reviewed the website properly and I will reveal everything about the website with you. But before that, I request you all to share this video, like it, and subscribe our channel so that we can make more such informative videos for your assistance. Moving further, guys, when I review the website, I found a lot of information about it and I will share all these information with you. Guys, this website is having HTTPS connection, which means that it uses a safe payment gateway. Moving further, guys, as you can see their about us page, they have mentioned that the Lookida brand was founded on 2015 and it is your one-stop online shop for most daring, exciting, and edgy fashion apparel. They are selling shoes, dresses, tops, and many other trendy products on their website. Well, guys, as you can see, their shoes, dresses, tops, bottom, bags, and a lot of products are available here. But they have only displayed the shoes on their homepage, which was quite suspicious and dubious for me. Moving further, guys, have a look at their contact us page. In the contact us page, you will find that they have shared their email address, which is service@lookida.com, and they will revert you back within 24 hours. They have stated that their customer services are excellent and they are always dedicated towards their staff satisfaction, customer satisfaction. Moving further, guys, they have also maintained a return policy page where you can see that they have mentioned that they return all the product. They accept the return and exchange with guarantee within 14 days from the delivery date. Moving further, guys, and talking about the social media presence, so I found that the website is only present on Pinterest. Moving further, guys, I found a lot of customer reviews about the website, and customer reviews are very important. So guys, please note that this website has overall received 2.4 star rating, and also Trustpilot has given 4.2 stars out of 10 to this website. A lot of customers have complained that this website does not deliver the product. Many customers have even complained that the website is delivering product but that are of very poor quality. Apart from that, we received many positive reviews about the website as well, where people have stated that the delivery was fast. Also, the product was according to their convenience. Moreover, they have stated that the customer service was good. But guys, because of these mixed review about the website and taking into consideration the website age, which is 5th May 2018, I would say that this website is a bit suspicious because people are raising continuous concern regarding to the website. Also, it is not present on Facebook or Instagram, which are most popular channels of social media. So for now guys, I will not suggest you to buy anything from this site. Guys, if you are buying anything from this site, you have to maintain caution. Also guys, if you have purchased, please share your feedback with us and let other people know more about the website. Friends, if you are looking for the money back option, all you have to do is visit the link which is given in our description box. Please share your comments over the video, like our video, subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Be safe, be informed. Thank you friends, have a nice day.